Okay. Target. McDonald's. Coffee. Your name is?
Jenn Wambolt.
Yeah, haven't done this for a long time. You've been quiet lately. Haven't heard from you? No, haven't caused any trouble? Or usually trouble goes to you? Or
No, I've been very busy with my life.
yeah.
Go figure.
No, we all have different battle in life. So, so you were in jail for 20 days, sentenced by idiot Julian Dixon. I'm saying that provincial judge Julian Dixon for breach of probation for not going to meet your probationary officer because you were scared of cops and there were some cops around and blah blah blah. So it was, for me, it's a blog, I can say it's fucking pure bullshit. But anyway, so you went 20 days in jail and there's no provincial jail in Fredericton, so they had to bring you to Miramichi, and that's about what, 3-hour ride. And suddenly there was some problems in the jail. Then your husband contacted the ambulance to come, and then next thing you know, after you were released, after how many days?
14.
Then the correctional department decided to press charge against you for a false call or calling the ambulance, something like that?
Well, actually, it would be nice if it was the Correctional Institute, but it was just one particular guard that had a revenge attitude.
One guard?
Yeah.
One guard decides to haul you in court because your husband called an ambulance.
Yep.
And you were saying, which your husband knows this guy.
Yep.
A long time, so it could be maybe payback's a bitch or
20-year-old grudge.
20-year-old grudge. But anyway, we're not going to go into that. So next thing you know, and they said, okay, plead guilty, and then you can have your trial, or you can have your sentence in Fredericton.
Yeah.
And if you don't plead guilty, you have to travel all the way to Miramichi. So you're going to Miramichi
for
again.
For our fourth trip.
A fourth trip, and they don't pay for the gas. Bunch of idiots. So you're going Monday?
Yep.
For what?
We have been granted a hearing to hear why this case is not merited and why the Crown did not do their duty, why the Miramichi police didn't do their duty.
Yeah, but
this is my chance. This is my chance to speak in court and say what was done wrong.
Yeah, but you're not the type to stand up and speak in court in a proper manner. I see you in action. I'm sorry, you could get a little bit emotional.
I don't know. The last time I did pretty damn good.
You did. Self-confidence is very important. Okay, that's good.
Actually, the last few times in court, I've actually done much better.
Is this the same Jenn Wambolt that I seen in court in Fredericton?
Which time?
So you said you were really okay. So you are capable.
Yep.
You're mentally prepared.
Well, as prepared as anybody can be. I mean, you never know what's going to happen in court. You hope it goes the way you planned it. It rarely does.
Can you understand the court language?
I actually do in this particular case. I've done a lot of research, a lot of reading, a lot of studying, so I think I really got this one. So
Monday you're going back there again, and to have this thrown out?
Well, that's, the motion is to have this quashed, stay, dismissed, thrown out, whatever it takes to get this off the books.
So you mean the security guard at the New Brunswick Provincial Jail can lay a charge against you and they say no problem?
Apparently, he had the charge and the Miramichi police accepted the charge before I even reached the hospital. And this same guard prevented the ambulance a half an hour from coming to my aid. He held them back from assisting me for half an hour.
So do they do that with every inmate that's from Fredericton or from outside and say, well, okay, bye-bye, no, we're going to put charge against you, you have to go all the way. Oh, we know you don't have a car, but you have to appear in court.
No, I'm special.
You're special.
I'm very special. I don't think this happens to everyone. Unfortunately, it does happen to me.
And you got out of there, you were prepared to move on, and then you get this bullshit.
Not necessarily move on. We still had the appeal in process, and we still have the appeal. We are appealing the sentence. We're appealing the whole kit and caboodle, and that's in April that our appeal is going to be heard. So yeah, no, we weren't moving on from it, but this is certainly one more catastrophe and dilemma that we have to deal with, and no, have no choice. We have to deal with this because we are being summoned to court on very huge charges. I mean, they're talking about locking us up for years, and we can't ignore that. We have to go and fight.
You want me to go there? Anyway, you don't want to listen to me from here in Miramichi and Miramichi come back. But I'll talk to you Monday night.
For sure.
Stay tuned.